Welcome back to TyeTye&Co. Today we are going to be talking about Boxycharm. I have been looking at online beauty subscriptions for a while and I couldn't really decide what I wanted, and with us being on quarantine, you guys all know we look forward to get stuff in the mail, so I thought now was the best time to pick something and see if I like it. So I've been researching Boxycharm and they have really good reviews on YouTube and different channels. So I was like, let me try it out. And I really like how they ask you the different questions for the makeup. For example, I'm not really into a whole lot of skincare. I have my skincare routine. I want to stick to that. So I'll try things here and or there, but I'm really into the makeup and eyeshadow. So they have a very good selection with that. Also, they are very detailed in eye color, in skin color, where the other ones you might have gotten 1 or 2 or 3 colors, but that was it. And I will show you what I mean in the next slide, and you can compare that to a subscription that you might already have.
Details, details, details. They even have the color violet of eyes, and I love the skin tone. This is just a few of the options.
So let's see what's inside our box. So you get a Boxycharm card with some deals inside. That's what that looks like. A makeup eraser card. And I will say that the box looks like it was thrown around a couple times when it was shipped. I don't think that was Boxycharm's fault, but I did notice that. I know that they've been pretty backed up. I wanted to hurry up and make this video because April is almost over. I bought my box, I believe it was April 13th. If that's a different date, I'll put it right here. But I'm just getting it. So if I waited any longer than doing it today when I got it, it would be May and the May box would be on its way. So I will say that it did seem like the things were kind of just thrown into the box, but I'm not going to hold that against Boxycharm this time because I know with the quarantine, everything is backed up, and who knows, maybe the shipping company kicked it around and that's why it looked like it did in the box. So inside I have these 2 eyeliners, and let me show you what they look like. They are by Illuminati. Ooh. So one is pink and they're gel paint, electric pink. So, and I will put some on and show you what that looks like. See? And then I will put some of this blue. And I am really excited about trying these colors. I think they're very vibrant and will show up well and nicely on my skin. So then we have Iconic London Illuminator, which I'm excited to try today. And I can show you what that looks like. Let's see. I'll put a little bit on so we can see. Ooh. It does dry very quickly, so that is one thing that I noticed, which isn't bad or good. I guess it depends on what you're trying to do. Then we have some vibrant makeup brushes. This is by Lavish. I'm gonna try them out today with my makeup look. Let's see. All right, so these are the brushes that you get. With this is a tapered blending brush, eye shading, this is pencil, fine line, and then this is an angled brush with a brow brush on the end. So those are okay, I like those. And then since I just joined, I got to pick an additional gift that I wanted, and I picked this Midnight Masquerade face palette. It is a little broken up a little bit, which I think that was just because of delivery, but I'm excited to try these colors. And then it came with Zoeva. I think it's Zoeva. And it's their caramel palette. And this is what the colors look like. So it's a very nice neutral, and this is what the outside of this looks like. And I don't think I showed you what the outside of that one looks like. So that's that. And then the last thing in the box is the pore. It's for pores. It instantly makes them appear smaller by Benefit. So this is what the box looks like. And this is what the little tube looks like. So I don't know if you can see that. All right, so let's try out these products on a quick look. For face care, and my eyebrows are already done. I do have on some mascara from earlier, so I'm just going to and it has actually a little tint to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of flesh colored. And I normally don't wear anything but moisturizer underneath, so I'll let you guys know what I think, but it is really smooth going on. I've seen a lot of raves about this product, so I don't know, this is kind of nice. I wear powdered foundation normally, so I'll let you know what I think. I plan on trying this with a liquid as well, but well, so far, pore minimizer, all right. Went on very smooth. So now I'm going to prime my eyes. I'm going to use my liquid concealer and my BH Cosmetics brush in number 7. So I'm just going to go in and put some right on my eye. You guys have seen me do this before. I had high hopes for this video. I was hoping I'd get the box earlier in the month so I could plan on what I was gonna do, but I had to hurry. I had to work, make dinner, work a little bit more, some calls. So I am just getting to this video. It's about 12 o'clock in the morning now, but we will do this look and see what we think. All right. So I'm going to use both palettes today to kind of get an idea of what we think. I'm going to start with this palette, and I'm going to use this color just to see what it looks like. And you guys know I'm naturally attracted to this type of color. I think it's so beautiful. And I'm going to use this blue brush, and it says eye shading. So I'm gonna put this on my lower lid. Ooh. Oh. Wow. Well. Hello. You guys can't even really, hold on. Hello. I mean, energy just went up. Oh. You guys. Wait, just wait. Oh. Bam. Do you see that? I mean, it says it's selected with taste. I wasn't expecting this. I mean, she's speechless. This color payoff, I mean, it didn't take a whole lot to put it on. Yes, that's what we're saying about this. Yes, hello, come through color. All right, so let's put some on the other eye.
I'm going in with my number 6 BH Cosmetic brush in the color 182 Celsius. And I am going into my crease and I am working my way up my brow bone, but not to touch my brow, leaving a little space in between. I'm using the same brush, but now I'm going into the Midnight Masquerade palette, and I am using the purple in this palette. That color is Disguise, and I am loving these colors. Loving, living, and loving these colors. Same brush, but now I'm going in with Sneak Peek. I am deepening my crease with this brownish color. Let's blend it out with our Lavish tapered blending brush that came in our kit. We are gonna blend it out, blend it out. I'm using my concealer. Y'all have seen me do this before. Let's buff it out. Going in with my Estee Lauder foundation brush and my foundation press powder, and I am putting that all over my face. Doing a little contour with a darker foundation powder. With a little concealer right down the tip of my nose. It's blush time, and I'm going in with Milani blush. Wait, you almost forgot your illuminator, girl. Yes, let's put that on now. It is really popping, you guys. I am using this over powdered foundation, and it is still popping. Yep, I really love it. Yeah, I'd say this look is poppin'.
Let's talk about my thoughts of Boxycharm. Even though it was late, I have to say I really enjoyed these products. Oh my gosh, that Benefit Poreless base that I put on, I really liked how it went on. It just glided over my skin, and I feel like I have a very seamless finish here. It's pretty flawless, even though I used powder. I love the illuminator. I loved those two shadows. When I was looking at the palette, I was like, it looks kind of boring. I don't know. But then when it glided across my lids, I mean, yes. So now I hope that my other box comes on time so I can have a little bit of time to film. I don't have to do it like the same day that it comes, but I loved it. I hope that you guys love this look. I'm really feeling it. I'm so sad that I have to wash it off and go to bed now, but that's okay. But until I see you next time, stay home and stay safe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.